everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I have a little video that I want to show you. I honestly think it's the cutest little video that I have ever made. And it's only about 5 minutes long. I hope you watch it and enjoy it. And it's all about making light bulb Christmas ornaments. Now, every single year I buy an ornament for my grandkids. But this year, I did buy them one, but this year I decided to also make them an ornament. They came out so cute. I know you saw the one on how I made the little gingerbread girls. And I made one of these for my granddaughter Braden, who's 13, and my granddaughter Kinley, who is 5. And so I thought, well, I've got to make the boys one. What am I going to make for the boys? And I want something that they can also hang on the tree. So this is what I'm going to show you how I made this. And it is the Grinch. Isn't that the cutest? So I want you to watch, or please watch, my little video coming up on how I made this Grinch ornament. And yeah, it's a little bit different. I don't speak in it, but it's really cute, so I really hope you enjoy it. Now, I just wanted to say that this entire week I'll be doing some videos, I don't know exactly what, and I'm going to be filming in my pajamas, my Christmas pajamas. And I want to be comfortable and cozy, and in fact, Friday, Christmas Eve, my entire family's coming over for a little Christmas Eve party, and we're all going to be in our pajamas. So let me show you what I have on right now. And they're so warm and cozy, and it says stay cool. Let me show you. So you can see it's a little penguin, and it says stay cool, and they're a green color with little snowflakes. So warm and cozy. So it's got the matching pajama bottoms to it. So that's what I'm wearing. And all week long, I'm going to be doing my videos in my Christmas pajamas. Now, I bought these at Walmart. They were only, I think, around $12. But they're so comfy, and you got to wear pajamas around Christmas. So one more thing I'm celebrating. I am so happy because Kathy and I started our YouTube channel last February. And, you know, all YouTubers want to get monetized, and they have to meet certain credentials. And one is 4,000 hours of viewing time, and the other is 1,000 subscribers. And so I'm so happy. We have our watch time since last February is 4,080 hours. Yay! So we're doing really well. And I want to thank, it's because of you, all of our wonderful subscribers, and to all of our new subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you. I know Kathy does. And by the way, Kathy and I are going to be doing a Christmas special this week, so I'll let you know more about that. So yes, we have 4,080 viewing hours. Yay! And but what we need are more subscribers. So, and we actually need quite a few. We need 291 subscribers that we are going to try to get by February. That's a lot. So if you can, like us, share us, give us a thumbs up, and we're hoping to meet our goal of 1,000 subscribers by February. And on an earlier video, I had said that once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm donating 66. I came up with this little number. I forgot exactly how. It was so many subscribers, a can of food. But I'm donating 66 cans of food to my local food bank. I donate regularly, but It's just going to be extra 66 cans of food. So you can help us get to that goal. But I'm so excited. So yeah, we've had views. We've had since February 44,176 views. That's amazing to me, just amazing. And I really want to thank all of you for helping us get there. So I have this little video coming up. Also, there's some few things coming up this week. My granddaughter's coming over one day, and we're going to be baking and making some fudge and candy too. So that'll be fun. But stay tuned, and please watch this cute little video on how to make a Grinch light bulb ornament. And like I say, it's only about 5 minutes long, and it's really cute. So anyways, thank you to all of our beautiful subscribers and all of our new subscribers. Welcome to our channel. We're so happy to have you as part of our YouTube family. So again, we appreciate you so much. So I'm going to let you go so you can watch my cute little video. It's so cute. All right. Love you guys. Mwah. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Ba-da-ba.